In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana report to Google Sheets. Whether it's for tracking progress, analyzing data, or simply keeping all your information in one place, this process is incredibly useful and straightforward. Let's get started. First, head over to your Google Sheets document. If you're new to this, open up a fresh Google Sheet so you can follow along easily. At the top of the page, you'll find a menu with various options. Click on Extensions. This is where we'll be able to integrate our Google Sheets with other applications. Once you click on Extensions, you'll want to select Get Add-ons. This will direct you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, you're going to search for Asana Export. This is an add-on specifically designed to help you transfer your data from Asana to Google Sheets smoothly. Once you've found it, go ahead and click Install to add it to your Google Sheets. Take a moment to ensure the installation is complete before proceeding to the next step. Now, with the add-on installed, move over to your Asana project. Look for the caret icon, which is next to your project title. This little icon is the gateway to your project's export tools. Click on it and select Sync or Export. Then choose Google Sheets from the available options. Asana will generate a link for you, and this link is crucial as it contains the necessary data for synchronization. Next, copy this link carefully. It's important to ensure you have the exact link to avoid any errors during the synchronization process. After copying the link, return to your Google Sheets. Once again, click on Extensions, then navigate to Asana, and this time, select Sync with Asana. You'll be prompted to paste the link you've just copied. Take a moment to do this accurately, as pasting the link allows Google Sheets to pull your data straight from Asana. Alternatively, if you're familiar with using formulas in Google Sheets, you can paste the copied URL into the Import Formula option. This is another method to bring in your Asana data, and it offers a bit more flexibility for those who like to customize their data handling. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Asana report into Google Sheets. This setup makes it so much easier to keep track of your project data, providing a comprehensive view right there in Google Sheets, where you can analyze it further, create charts, or even prepare reports. Enjoy the seamless connection between Asana and Google Sheets, and optimize your workflow like never before.